Hey guys, it's the weekend, so I hope you guys had a good trading week. As it's the end of the week, I'll be breaking down the trades I took this week. So I'll go through the accounts I'm trading, the funded accounts I'm trading, and go through some trades breakdown. So without further ado, let's dive into the process. So as you guys should know by now, the first step we go through is to check the forex factory. So we should just check the forex factory to see what news events came out this week. So as you can see, we had a GBP news on Monday and a USD news event on Tuesday and USD on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, we had a bunch of Euro USD and GBP news. Then on Friday, USD news. So yeah, now let's dive into the chart. So first of all, we'll go to the DXY. Yeah, so let's break the dollar index down and see the direction the dollar traded this week. So yeah, the week started from uh, here. Yeah. So what did the dollar do this week? Initially, we had the dollar trade down into a discount heading into Tuesday. So after price found support at a high time frame level on Tuesday, then the dollar traded up, targeting this fair value gap on the 1 hour chart. But price didn't feel the fair value gap before it rejected the zone. So it got up to the fair value gap on Wednesday during London session, and we saw the rejection from that fair value gap without price mitigating it. So since then, price has been bearish, breaking structure to the downside. So how can we use this bias on the dollar index to trade the GBP and Euro USD? So the first trade I had was on Wednesday. I was on GBP USD. So yeah, this is GBP USD, the 1 hour chart. So I'll break down the what I saw that made me took this sell on GBP USD. Let me just go down to the 15 minutes time frame so I can break it down. So this was what price action was doing on Tuesday heading into Wednesday. Price got to a higher time frame level, which was a weekly fair value gap, and was consolidating around that zone, which was showing a bearish signature. After price reached the higher time frame level, price started consolidating on Tuesday. We didn't see any further movement down, and we didn't see any downward movement. So price just cleared liquidity on the upside, and I knew this high was meant to be a strong high, and I wasn't expecting price to take out this high coming into Wednesday. So I was waiting to see price break below the previous day low, which was on Tuesday, breaking that's a signifying a weaker price and signifying a market structure bearishness. So after price broke the previous day low and we traced up a bit, then broke the low again, then I just confirmed the bearishness and I waited for price to trade up into a premium to enter off the the premium area I used to enter my trade. So after price traded up there, I had my sell limit on the level, and price got to that level, took out liquidity, which was this short-term high here, then traded down, targeting the weekly open price, but price didn't get to the weekly open price before reversing, which was similar to the dollar index trading up into that fair value gap, but not mitigating the fair value gap. So we saw this bearish movement on the GBP USD, aiming for the weekly open price, but price didn't get to that target, but price took out this equal lows. So I got out on the 1:3, which was just my target. I wasn't interested in seeing price trade to the full TP, so I just got out on 1:3 and called it a day. Then coming on Friday, which was the second trade I had. I didn't take any trade on Euro USD. I just focused on GBP USD this week. So the reason I took the second trade of the week was after price. This was a Thursday news event on GBP USD, PMI news or PPI news. After price cleared this Tuesday high, this high automatically became a strong high. So I was expecting price to trade up back and take out this high until it trades down to a discount. So I waited for Friday to resume, and I wanted to see what price does on the London session. So after seeing price take out this high here, and let me go down into the lower time frame because I took this trade on the 3 minutes chart. So after seeing price take out this high during Asian section, so and it traded down, taking out this equal low here, liquidity, and traded up back, taking out this Asian high. Then I waited for retracement back into premium to sell, targeting this low, which was here. So after price sniped my entry here, and just remaining few pips for it to get to my overall target, which is 1:3 risk to reward. Then price reversed and hit me out at break even. Honestly, I wasn't expecting price to reverse. I was expecting price to take out this low, but later on I got to realize that this low was a strong low because it took out liquidity, this equal low. So price shouldn't take out this low again. So my target was wrong. So I wasn't supposed to target this low. I was supposed to target this fair value gap here because price filled this fair value gap before reversing, which was supposed to be my target. And the other mistake I did was I had a wide stop loss, because if I realized that if I had reduced my stop loss by a pip, I would have targeted this breaker block here. If you go to the lower time frame, if you see the breaker block clearly, I would have targeted that for a 1:3 and called it a day. So if I had reduced my stop loss by a pip here, my target would have, let me just put the short position so you guys will understand what I'm saying. If I had my entry here as it is here, then I targeted a 5 pip stop loss instead of a 6 as I had originally. Targeted a 5 pip stop loss instead of 6. Let's say 5 pip there, yeah. Then my usual 1:3, which should be around here. So yeah, as you can see, price could have, yeah, as you can see, price could have gotten me in there and just taking me out before the reversal, but because I had a 6 pip stop loss instead of a 5, so overall my 1:3 was now waiting for price to take out this strong low, which price wasn't going to take out because it has already taken out liquidity on the previous side, on the previous session. So yeah, so after price got to this level and I saw price rejecting of this zone, I didn't want to close the trade like that, so I just decided to break even and let price either retrace fully and stop me out or move to my target. So after price stopped me out at break even and I saw a little rejection from that zone, I entered in again on the sell because I was expecting price, maybe after price took out this liquidity, then it can now reverse, but I was wrong. So price later went up and hit me out. So I took 2 executions today. One was break even and one was a loss. So overall for the week, I'm still up because I had 3 trades for the week. 1 win, 1 break even, and 1 loss. And the 1 win was the 1:3, so it took care of the loss I had. So yeah, guys, this is just a quick breakdown of the trades I had this week. I didn't really take much trade because the price action this week wasn't really clear. I just wanted to see some really good setup before taking any trades. So yeah, This is just a quick breakdown. And I didn't really take any trade on Euro USD because I didn't understand what Euro USD was doing. Well, although after price took out this liquidity here and took out this low here, it just ultimately reversed up, taking out this high, which wasn't a clear buyer. So I just decided to trade GBP USD. So yeah, guys, this is just a quick trade breakdown. So let me go through the screenshots I had during the before and after the trades. So yeah, the first trade I had. So yeah, the first trade I had, which as I told you guys was on GBP USD. So as you can see the entry here, I just took my entry here before the volume got into the market. So after taking the entry, I sat out to and let probability play. So after taking the entry, as you can see, price rejected up there and targeted my area, which was a clean, sweet trade. This was the execution on my MT4. Took a sell right from the top there and just took my TP. So first went straight to my TP, which was a clean 1:3. And today I had this trade on GBP USD on the 5-minute chart. I waited for price to tap me in, then targeted my 1:3, but ultimately after price sniped me in by just few pips entry, price missed my target, which was the 1:3 by, let's say, 5 pips. So yeah, it was really painful because I could have taken partial here, but I could have just reduced my stop to by a pip, and I would have gotten out as 1:3, which would have made me win 2 out of 2 trades this week for a 100% win rate. But at the end of this week, I just had a 33% win rate, which isn't bad because last week I had break even. So you have a 33% win rate on this week is a good one. So next week I'll try to do better. So yeah, this is the execution for the today's trade. Price ultimately reversed after missing my TP by a few pips. Price ultimately reversed. So yeah, these are just the trades I took this week. As you can see on GBP USD, we had a TP on GBP USD, a break even and a loss. So which was a good one this week. And this is how we stand on the balance. There we at 5745, which is like we are seeing negative 4% on the account. So yeah, I'm still positive on my approach, and I'm still expecting to get back to the balance on this trade, and also trading with following my risk management approach till I get up and target the profit target I have to for the account. So yeah, guys, this is just a quick breakdown for the trade, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I hope you guys do have a good weekend. Yeah, peace.